turning your engine 18V6 engine turn. Engine is turning good, and the power steering pulley here already broken. Yeah, you can see here it's already broken, and the alternator still good, no broken, no damage. Same as well the starter here, but this one already, the plastic cover here already broken too. But so far on top here everything's good, no damage, no broken. Very nice, very good. And the starter also good, no problem. This plastic over here also broken, and the turbo didn't see any damages from outside here. The turbo is good, no problem. Same as well the compressor here on top from this side also good, no problem. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.